So, very good evening, my all dear friends from my lovely country, Bharat. And we have been
Good evening.
learning English on this platform. And I am so lucky person in India because every day I get an opportunity to talk with my brothers and sisters of my country. And we all are here
Yes,
to improve our English. We are here to share our ideas. We are here to share our knowledge. And really, it's a wonderful platform. And we are a close family now. I always talk about you with my friends. I have one speaker, Ashok Maurya. We have Shanta Madam in our platform. And I talk with
Thank you, sir.
my friends about you. So I discuss like my family member.
We are very pleasure to hear you, sir.
Yeah. So now,
yes, we are very fortunate to
so yes, sir.
talk.
Yesterday, Shanta Madam was telling something, and our session was ended because of time. So now, Shanta Madam, you have 1 or 2 minutes
Sir.
to continue your speech. Then we will have a revision. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Uh, Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Yesterday we discussed about. We are very thankful to you, sir, because you are explaining us so much of grammar, very advanced grammar to us. Day before yesterday we learned got structure, and yesterday we learned I wish I were, and I wish I could, and I wish I had. So many advanced structures we are learning. We are very thankful to you, sir, and all the participants are very eagerly learning and eagerly waiting for today's session, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. So thank you very much, Shanta Madam, and let's start with revision today. And what's the role of teacher? To simplify the topic. Everything is given in a textbook. Material is available everywhere, but the role of the teacher is to simplify your topic. So let's try to simplify this topic and let's be the master of this. Yeah. So you can see I have made something revision. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first we try to learn this topic, get plus object plus past participle. What is the function of this? Someone else completed the action and I have written something. Look at here. Your work is done by other. Your work is done by other. I don't clean my car. Then who cleans my car? So my car is cleaned by Shankar Nepali. Okay, we have one Nepali person, Shankar Nepali. He cleans my car. So how can I say I get my car clean? Because that is our daily activities. Weekly 2 times he comes to clean my car. So I say I get my car clean. But if I want to talk
Regular
about
action.
past activity, then my car is clean today. Why my car is clean? Because I got my car clean yesterday. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
So now this is your turn to make 3 sentences today. And today don't make this type of, sir, I got my car, like with verb. Action is done by other. Your work is done by other. And you have to start with object, then past participle. Yeah. Ila Rani. Then Kirti Barai, be ready.
Me, sir.
Yeah, Ila Rani.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good evening, all. Uh, I got my, sir. I can understand, but I am not finding a word to describe that what I got to dawn. I got.
So may I?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, Subhasri.
Yes, sir. Okay. After a long time, when I went to my flat, I got my flat is fully prepared to for stay.
Okay, then
Sir, actually, I'm getting blank. What
okay.
will I say?
Kirti Barai, then
Sir.
Ranjana Goswami be ready. Kirti Barai.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can I speak?
Yes, madam. Then after that,
Hello,
okay.
sir.
Last, I will give you chance.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Okay. My clothes is clean today. Sir, can you explain? And again, you have already give explanation. My car is clean today because I got my car clean yesterday. Can you, sir, explain once again, sir, please? I can't understand.
Okay, that is situation actually. My car is clean today, but you are asking me, sir, why your car is clean? Then I'm using our structure. I got my car clean yesterday. So
Yeah.
work is
Okay, sir.
done by my work is done by other person.
Okay.
Work is done
Then
by
I can
somebody
say
else.
that my clothes is clean today because I got my clothes cleaned yesterday.
Yes. Yeah.
Can I say like that?
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay,
Perfect.
sir.
So you are not washing your
Okay.
clothes. Somebody wash your clothes. Then you can say,
Okay.
I get my
Yeah.
clothes washed. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ranjana
Thank
Goswami.
you.
Then after that, Shanta Madam will explain this topic.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. So, I get my mark sheet laminated. I get my painting done from my sister. I get my clothes dry clean. My sister get her copy checked. I can't go without getting my bike service.
Hmm.
Uh, I insist my father on getting my house painted. Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now I request Shanta Madam to explain this topic
Can
because
I?
some friends have little bit problem. Yeah. So
Okay,
first,
sir.
Shanta Madam will explain this topic. Then Ashok Maurya, you can make your sentences.
Okay, sir.
Uh, this structure is we should use with subject plus get plus object and object plus past participle.
Hmm.
This structure must be like this only. We
Hmm.
should not avoid this structure. First, we must have a subject plus get plus object and past participle. Now I want to, but this work is done by somebody else. We didn't do with ourselves. This
Hmm.
is done by somebody else. So
Yeah.
today I want to explain one. I will take one example and how to use it in present tense, past tense, and future tense. I will. Can I explain, sir?
Yes, madam.
I get my car serviced. This is the present simple. I got my car serviced. This is past simple. I will get my car serviced. Future tense. I
Yeah.
am getting my car serviced is present continuous.
Perfect
Thank you,
explanation,
sir.
madam. Very nice. Thank you very much for this explanation. Now, Ashok Maurya, you can make your sentences.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
Kalpana madam be ready
Thank
then.
you,
Shanta
sir.
madam. Sorry, Ashok
Good evening,
Maurya.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. Uh, my first sentence is, my shoe is polished today because I got my shoe polished yesterday.
Hmm.
Second one is, my shirt is ironed because I got my shirt ironed yesterday.
Hmm.
my bicycle is cleaned today because I got my bicycle cleaned yesterday.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
So, someone clean your bicycle. You did not clean. Somebody clean your car, your bicycle. Somebody iron your clothes.
So sometimes,
Yeah. So
sometimes.
that time you cannot use that structure then. Your work is done by other, then you can use the structure. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
sir.
Kalpana madam.
Means
Then after that we are
me.
going to change our topic because this is revision, okay? And I have a long list of revision. All topics we are going to revise. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Kalpana madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Uh, Structure is subject plus get plus object plus verb 3. I got picture painted to set in a new home.
Hmm.
Will it do, sir? Okay. Today, the tank is full of water because I got it filled yesterday.
Yeah, I got my tank filled yesterday. That's why it's full.
Yes. Yes, I got it.
That's all.
Next, sir.
Okay.
I I collect I collect my cinema ticket because I got it booked yesterday. Will it do, sir?
Yeah, perfect, madam. Perfect.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So now we have one more topic to be revised here. You are not supposed to touch this button. Okay. We all had
Yes, sir.
confusion about this topic. That's why I have decided to simplify this topic by dividing in some different sections. And today we are going to discuss only one functions of be supposed to. Okay, so you can see we have already studied that action is expected or necessary. We are not going to study that one. Just look at here: duty, responsibility, and obligation. Obligation means also duty or your commitment. Okay, we all are on this platform. So what is your responsibility? You are supposed to turn off your audio when you are not speaking. So that is your responsibility or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I am a government teacher. So what is my duty? What is my responsibility to teach? So sir, you are getting salary every month. So you are supposed to teach your students. Now can you understand what is the function
Yes,
of
sir.
first function of be supposed to?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So your duty, your responsibility, obligation, you are supposed to be at your office before 10 a.m. because this is your office time. You have to reach.
yes, sir.
So this is your responsibility. You cannot make excuses. You are supposed to be here. Got it? So now who is ready to make 3 sentences by using this function: duty, responsibility, and obligation?
May I, sir?
So may I?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, actually this is, yeah, Jyoti.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Sir, first of all, thank you for inviting me in this group. Today is my first day.
So
I'm very
welcome to
thankful
our
for
session. Okay,
this.
welcome Jyoti to our session.
Thank you. Sir, I would like to make sentences on supposed to. And first sentence will be we're not supposed to use a phone while driving.
What?
And no one's supposed to go out without wearing mask.
Okay.
So that's it.
I request my all friends, please use today's function. duty, responsibility, and obligation. So make sentences by using this function.
May I, sir?
Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. So now I can see everybody. So I can invite everybody. Actually, I could not see your picture image. Now I can see. Now Rajkumar Jaiswal. Yeah, turn on your audio first. Then Pankaj Udaipur be ready after that.
You are supposed to stand up while national anthem is playing.
Perfect.
Someone creating unnecessary noise, sir.
Responsibility. You are.
Hello, Subrat Kumar. Subrat Kumar, please stop making noise, okay? You are supposed to turn off your audio when you are not speaking. That is your duty. This is your responsibility on this platform. You are supposed to turn off your audio. Yeah, Rajkumar.
I was supposed to be with you when you needed me. I
Yeah.
was supposed to be with you when you needed me.
Yeah, perfect.
You are supposed to come office at time. Or you can say you are supposed to be at time at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, perfect.
In office.
Perfect. Yeah. So now Pankaj Udaipur. Then Anuj Delhi be ready.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Okay. My sentences are: I'm supposed to reach office on time. We all are not supposed to make unwanted voice here. And last is I'm supposed to keep quiet when another one is speaking.
Yeah. So now next, who is next? I think I have announced one name. Anuj, yeah, I announced one name, Anuj. Yeah.
My first sentence is I am supposed to wear helmet while riding bike. The second sentence is you are supposed to help needy person. And the third sentence is you are supposed to complete your project on time.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, you all are excited to make sentences, but this is revision. So we have one more you need to revise, okay? And tomorrow again, we are going to revise the second function of be supposed to, one by one. And I promise you, we are going to be master on this topic. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now you can see something on the screen again. So this one is over. Now, I wish I were. I wish I were. Yesterday we were discussing this topic. I wish I were.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the function? Describe desire that is currently not true. So we all have so many desires. We have so many wishes, but they are not currently true. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So that time we can say, I wish I were a writer. I wish I were rich. I wish I had an electric car. I wish I had, then you can make different sentences. So I have also divided this topic in three subtopics. I wish I were,
Yes,
I wish I had, and I wish I could with action verbs. And yesterday we discussed,
Yes,
so now who is ready to make sentences?
May I, sir?
Okay, 1
Yes,
minute.
sir. May, sir.
Yeah. Yogesh Mishra.
May I, sir?
Then Keyur Gujarat.
And me, sir.
And I also.
Yeah.
Nageshwar Rao.
Nityanand Swami. Then Nageshwar will explain this topic at last.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
I wish I were a million. I wish I had private jet. I wish I could visit all Asia. And I wish I were entrepreneur. I wish I had lots of retail shop. I could help other person.
Okay, perfect. Now Nityanand.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Uh, I wear a bird. I wish I were a supreme power man,
Okay.
and uh, and I wish I had a expensive car. I wish I had a big bungalow, and I wish
I could then try with actions. I wish I could. I wish I could
okay,
dance
sir.
with Deepika Padukone.
Okay, thank
I
you,
wish
sir.
I could act with Kangna Ranawat. Like that?
Wow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So can I?
Yeah, wait, please. Now, yeah, Geeta Mohan, then Nageshwar, be ready to explain this topic. Then after that, we are going to start a new topic.
May I, sir?
Yes, Geeta madam.
Thank you. My first sentence is, I wish I were a teacher in English. I wish I were a good driver in driving a car. I wish I wish I could drive well. That's all.
I wish I could drive well. Wonderful. Okay, so now I request Nageshwar Rao to explain this topic. If somebody has some problem, then you can cover. Okay, yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Yes. Yeah, thank you, sir. Good evening and good evening, all. Learn to three varieties here. I wish I were, I wish I had, I wish I could. The first one, I wish I were. This is for which you want to be in your dream, in your imagination. So you have to say, I wish I were a Spider-Man. I wish I were a CM of Telangana State. I wish I were a public speaker. This is your imagination which you want to be. And second, I wish I had means having something. So I wish I had a helicopter. I wish I had a magic wand. I wish I had a farmhouse like this. And the third thing, I wish I could means do something or action. For example, I wish I could fly like a bird. That is my wish to do. And I can't dance, but I wish I could. So these are the examples. So based on I could, I have written and I gathered one small story. That is Sadhguru said. One day one man took a walk. He went.
Okay, what happened? Where is Nageshwar
I
Rao?
was disconnected. So one day one man took a walk. He took it for a long walk. So on the way he walked into paradise, and he walked forward, and he landed up into the paradise. So he was so tired, and he thought, I wish I could take some rest, and I wish I could find a good place to sleep. So he looked around and found a tree. He went there and he slept. He slept for 1 or 2 hours, and after he woke up. And after he woke up, he thought, I wish I could eat something because I'm hungry. And after, when he thought, the food appeared in front of him. He ate all the food, and after he said, I wish I could drink some water, some drinks. When he thought some drinks appeared in front of him, he drank all the water, and after he thought, oh, here I You know, there was a ghost. He thought, he imagined. When he imagined, ghost also appeared in front of him. He was so panicked, and he said, "Oh, the ghost will torture me, and kill me." When he thought like that, the ghost tortured him and killed him. That was the imagination what he imagined. So that is our mind power. Our mind is like a monkey. It jumps here and there. When we have control on that, we can do the miracles. Otherwise, we can't. When we think of good, and when we do that, it is happen in our life.
Yeah.
When we think bad, it will happen. That is the power of our mind. So he imagined something. I wish I could. I wish I could. I took
Yes,
this
yes, sir.
example as a story. Thank you, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much, Nageshwar, for this explanation by telling the story.
Explanation.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
So now please open your notebook and write something. It's a new topic. Be about to. Be about to. Okay.
Sir, I have an example.
For what?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I have an example.
Yeah.
Sorry, I have a sentence. I wish I were a director to give a chance of newcomer, you can say outsider, in the Bollywood.
Okay, okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay.
Sir, I have a request to you.
Yeah.
May I say?
Yeah.
I wish I could get all the participants in phone number.
Okay. Okay, okay.
That is my wish.
Okay, okay. We will plan. We will be more familiar than we can plan it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Later we can create one WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Now we are getting closer and closer. Okay, then we will make it. Now the process is going on.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Because what I have studied, don't trust anybody quickly. That's my life formula.
Oh, thank you.
It's very fantastic formula.
Yeah. Okay. So be about to. Be about to. Be about to. Okay. So there are two types of functions of be about to. Was and were means you can talk about past and in the present also. We are going to start with past. I was about to. So you can write down I was about to. So what is the function of be about to? Means you were going to do something. You decided to do something in the past. Finalize. You wanted to do that anyhow. You were going to do. But because of some situations, you couldn't do it. Now can you understand?
Yes, sir.
So write down. Yeah.
Can you explain once again?
Yeah. Write down that one, the function of this topic. You were going to do something. You were going to do something.
Okay, sir.
But another event prevented you.
Okay.
Another event prevented you from doing it. Means you could not do it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So function is clear. We are going to learn I was going to.
Yeah.
Hear it? Okay. Yesterday I told you I studied how to play violin 2 years in Gujarat. Got it? I spent my 2 years to violin. After completing my course in Gujarat, my teacher of violin suggested me to go to Kerala to complete the 6 years course in Kerala. Okay, so everything was finalized in 2004. I made a mind. I was about to go to Kerala for my violin course. Now can you understand? I was
Yes, sir.
about to go to Kerala for violin course. Then you can ask me then, why didn't you go there? What happened in your life? You made a mind, you decided to go to Kerala to continue your violin course. So when I came to my village in 2004, and my father had a big problem with his health. And that time, my 3 sisters were unmarried. Actually, nobody knows I have 6 sisters and I don't have any brother. That's why I work very hard. Yeah. So that time, my 3 sisters were unmarried. There was no income source in my family. Then how could I leave Gujarat? How could I go to Kerala to learn violin? Because I could not earn single money from violin that time.
Yes, yes.
So I started working in a private primary school. I started a part-time job and my monthly salary was 500 rupees. In the evening, I started doing the coaching of cricket, some players of my village. So in the evening time, I started doing coaching of cricket. In the morning time, I started going to school as a primary school teacher. So I worked there for 2 or 3 months. Then I realized I'm very good at teaching. So I should not change my profession. Now I don't want to play violin. From that day, I stopped playing violin. And the trustee also offered me full-time job because students were very happy with my teaching. And from 2004, I'm in this field as a teacher. And now still I'm enjoying this profession. So I was about to go to Kerala. To learn violin, but I couldn't do it. Perfect. So what is the function of I was about to?
Yes, sir.
Second, I was about to buy a Toyota car. But last minute I changed my mind and I bought Honda WRV. So I was about to. Because my friend convinced me. So now, clear? What is the function?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now this is your turn to make 3 sentences in your notebook. Try to make 3 sentences, then you will get chance to speak your sentences. Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have only 2 minutes left in this session. Yeah, Yogesh Mishra is ready, then Srivani be ready.
Sir, reason need to write
Sorry?
Excuse me, Prakash sir. Prakash sir.
sentence.
Yeah.
Reason need to write?
No, you don't need to write down reason. Actually, I wanted to explain, that's why.
Yes, sir. Prakash sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Actually, sorry for interrupting this. Actually, sir, whenever you are speaking, the echo sound is coming.
Yes, sir.
Echo is there.
All time?
Echo is coming.
Sir, echo sound is coming whenever you are speaking.
Okay.
Means your sound is repeating.
Not all
Yes, sir. But we didn't get that sound.
Yogesh Mishra, you have
Someone
also
mic
said
is
from...
on, that's why.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my sentence is, he is about to gulp Rasgulla. He was about to write a mail to HR. He is about to pass on work to me.
Okay, perfect. Srivani.
Yes, sir. So my first sentence, you shouldn't have given me the plates to wash. I was about to wash. My second sentence, you needn't have given me the book. I was about to read it. My third sentence, I was about to go to my mother's place, but you stopped me for going there since it is Corona.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, very simple example I want to explain with you. Okay, somebody, your wife tells you to cook something, then she changed the dish. Then you ask when you return, why? Then she explain you, I was about to cook that thing, but we didn't have enough material for that. And I did not want to go to market. Ingredients, yeah.
She will reply with ingredients.
So yeah, so now everybody can understand with this example. I was about to cook that one.
And definitely we are not going to forget also.
Yeah. So now who is
Sir,
ready?
I have an example.